Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Afikim Afiscooter Model S4.
Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. You wanna get out but you're stuck in the house, can't really walk and you need to get around. Well, come on down to Mobility Direct, they get you in the scooter, it'll only take a sec. You're dealing with the best, got prices for less. The park or the beach, we put the scooters to the test. And our Mobility scooters ride all day long, that's because they run on Dakota Lithium. And come on, we could go for miles and miles, so much battery power, ride for hours and hours. You need wheels, well we got deals, so just stop on by and come and get one of ours. Cause when it comes directly to mobility, there ain't nobody else out there that can compete. Subscribe to our YouTube, cause you know it's free. Mobility Direct, we got what you need. Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. Mobility Direct. Mobility Direct.
All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those epic action shots. Now let's talk about the S4 by Afikim. It's an awesome machine, quite possibly the best option for dependability and going off-road. It's got a 500-pound weight capacity, about 9.3 miles per hour top speed, full suspension, big juicy tires. These are upgraded golf tires. The most customizable model, by the way. It comes with a 2-year in-home repair contract. Now, before I get any further, I do want to mention a few quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our free catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, www.mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form. You're going to get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops, or you can just click right there where it says get free catalog and it'll take you to the form. It's really easy to do it that way. I also want to say that if you stay tuned to the very end of this video, we're going to show you something that no other dealer has done on YouTube before that we did with this model. You're not going to want to miss out on that. Plus, at the end, I'm going to tell you how you can win a free Afikim scooter with our giveaway that we're doing. So stay tuned to the end, and if we don't cover anything, if you have any questions, something we didn't cover in the video, leave a comment. We reply to every single comment. So again, the S4 by Afikim, you can get it in a 3-wheel model. This is the 3-wheel right here. Now, the S model has tons of upgrade options. I'm going to run through them. They're on our website in the custom options section when you check out. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts. They can answer any questions that you have about them. But just to run through the specifications and custom options, you've got 4 color choices. You've got a red, a blue, a silver, a dark gray. And with the batteries, you can get up to 90 miles with the upgraded batteries. We have lithium battery upgrades, but they come standard with sealed lead acid. With the lithium battery upgrades, they are a bit more expensive, but if you want to go on a long distance travel ride, the lithium batteries are going to be the way to go. We actually beat a world record using 135 amp hour Dakota lithium batteries. We went for 24 hours. We've got the YouTube video on our channel, so make sure you check it out. Aside from the battery, you do have the option to upgrade the seat. You can get an 18-inch wide seat, a 20-inch wide, a 22-inch wide, 24-inch wide, or here's the kicker, a 2-person seat that's 33 inches wide. So you could go with your friend, your family member, your loved one, and 2 people on this thing. It can handle up to 500 pounds. You can upgrade to the S4 HD model, which handles up to 600 pounds. It's going to be a lot better for going up hills, but the standard model handles hills very well. The HD model, even better. So you can talk about going some really aggressive inclines with the S4 HD. Now you can get a hardtop canopy as well, which is going to protect you from the sun, the rain, and you can choose to add the rain sides to make it fully enclosed like what you're seeing on the screen now. So if there's a rainstorm out there and you need to get out and about and you live in a subtropical climate area like Florida where it rains all the time, or Washington, I'd highly recommend the canopy with the rain sides. You're going to be fully enclosed. This thing can handle puddles no problem. We go over some pretty awesome puddles. Water gets under there and everything's protected. Doesn't matter. So you can use this thing all over the place. We've even taken them to the beach, but you definitely want to have the upgraded tires if you do that, which is another upgrade option. These are the upgraded golf tires. And the reason why they're called golf tires is because technically you can use them on a golf course and go over some sand at beaches where the sand's not too loose and pretty compact. It will perform very well. Now if you come over here on the S3 wheel, you'll see the standard tires are a little bit thinner. They're 16 inches on both the S3 and the S4. The S3 is just going to have a sharper turning radius, that's all. Now something else that you can upgrade is the motor package. You can get a high output motor to get up to 12 miles per hour. Now the standard goes about 9.3 miles per hour. With the upgraded motor package, it's nice to get that extra little bit of speed, get you where you need to go a little bit quicker. And I personally love that upgraded motor package. That's what we have right here is the upgraded motor package with the golf tires and a 20-inch wide captain seat. All in all, this is my favorite scooter. I use it all the time for different things around the property. We use it to carry a big sprayer for agricultural spraying with a tow behind cart that we use. It's actually just a fishing cart that you use at the beach. We rig it up to the universal hitch receiver on the back, which can be used for a lot of things, by the way. Here we have a cane holder that fits into that little square receiver on the back. You see them on a lot of different scooters. We use this for fishing poles. You can put canes in them. There's a walker holder attachment, oxygen tank holder attachment, shopping basket. You can get a locking rear storage that fixes itself to the back of the seat. And you've already got the front basket included for free, which is a locking storage compartment, not really so much of a basket. So this opens up and you've got some storage in there. It is lockable, comes with 2 mirrors, and it has a really powerful LED headlight, full light package, turn signals, brake lights in the back, you name it. Now I'm going to quickly go over all the specs. And if you have any questions at all, please, like I said, give us a call. Put them in the comments section below. If you own one of these, I want to hear from you. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below so that our audience can see from actual customers what they think about the Afikim S4. So again, 500-pound weight capacity. The total weight is going to be 364 pounds with the base options. If you upgrade it with the golf tires, the weather canopy, things like that, it's obviously going to weigh a little bit more. The maximum speed is going to be with the upgraded motor package just about 12.5 miles per hour. Standard with no upgraded motor, 9.3 miles per hour top speed, depending on the terrain, the incline, things like that. Now the standard distance that you can go on a full battery with the standard battery is 37 miles, but you could probably get close to like 90 or 100 miles with the 135 amp hour lithium upgrade. The lithium batteries are going to give you the best range. They come with an 11-year warranty, and we are the only dealer eligible to offer a lithium battery upgrade upon initial order. Other dealers are not able to offer that without voiding the warranty. So be very careful. If you want lithium battery upgrades, don't go to some other dealer that's going to put aftermarket lithium batteries in there. That's going to void your warranty. With us, Afikim has given us the exclusive offer to include a lithium battery upgrade at the time of purchase without voiding your warranty. Now the motor on this thing is a 24-volt, 1400 watt motor. If you get the Afikim HD, you can get up to 4,800 peak watts. With the standard motor, you're going to get 3,360 peak watts. With the upgraded HD version, it's got a 600-pound weight capacity again. Remember that, and it's going to handle inclines a lot better. Now, the charger that it comes with is a 24-volt, 8-amp SLA charger, but if you get lithium batteries, you will get the appropriate battery charger setup for the lithium batteries that you choose. It does have charging port on the tiller and 2 USB charging ports on the tiller as well, which we'll show you really quick. The charging port's going to be located up high. That's the charging port for the battery charger, and you've got 2 USB charging ports to charge your electronic devices. You can tilt the tiller forward and back if you want to bring it closer to you or further away from you. You've got your horn buttons right here, half speed mode, full speed mode, forward and reverse switch. That's your throttle right here on this side. You've got your light switch here, turn signals, and a manual brake, which is going to allow you to slow down faster than what the automatic braking system can provide you with. You have 2 cup holders here. And by the way, the brake system is automatic, meaning that as soon as you let go of the throttle, the brakes kick in. You don't have to hit a brake pedal or anything like that. The only thing this brake lever is for is to help you slow down faster when you're going full speed, because it does take about 2 seconds to come to a complete stop. If you want to disengage the automatic brake system, there's a lever in the back. You can go ahead and disengage it, and then you can push the unit manually. Otherwise, it's always going to be in what we would call park mode. All right, now let's talk about the turning radius on the 4-wheel model. It's 90 inches. It's not going to turn extremely sharp, but the 3-wheel model is going to turn a lot sharper. All right, so let's talk about the ground clearance. This is going to be one of the best scooters for ground clearance. It's got 5 inches of ground clearance, and we've got full suspension, 4 coils, 2 on the rear, 2 on the front. Now, when you are going off-road, this thing can handle it super well, and it's going to provide you with an extra comfortable ride. Now the dimensions are 65 inches long by 27 inches wide, but if you get the golf tires, it comes with these fender flares. It's going to increase that overall width to 35 inches, which unfortunately means it won't be able to go through most doorways. So if you are worried about that and you're going to be using it indoors, you can go grocery shopping with the standard model, but with the golf tire model, you might need to think about, you know, where you can go with it. It's mainly going to be an outdoor scooter at that point. Now, it's rated for a 9-degree incline, the standard model is. With the upgraded HD package, you're going to get closer to like 12 to 15 degrees. But personally, I think that the standard model can handle more than what it's rated for. It's just for safety, they don't want to put out there that you can go up really steep inclines. We've done some awesome testing on inclines, and this is by far one of the best models for handling inclines, aside from the upgraded HD model, which can handle some super steep stuff. Now the seat to ground height is 26 inches. The seat to deck height is 20 inches. The seat width, you've got several options ranging from 18 all the way up to 33 inches with a dual wide 2-person seat. So you've got tons of seat options again to choose from. The seat back height is 20 inches or 26.5 inches to the top of the headrest. You do have flip-up armrests, premium stitched 2-tone captain seat that does slide forward, and it rotates. There's 2 levers on the bottom side which allow you to rotate and slide the seat forward and back so you can get closer to the handlebar, and again, you can tilt the handlebar closer to you as well. So you've got tons of comfort adjustment features. Now this is one of the only scooters that I would trust to go up small curbs. I don't recommend it, but you know, if you're going up a little 2 or 3 inch curb, no problem. If you're going up an actual parking curb, be careful, folks. Can you do it? We've done it. Don't recommend it. It does have the suspension and the ground clearance to do some pretty awesome stuff when it comes to climbing curbs though. Now the wheelbase is 47 inches. That's going to be from the center point of the tire here to the center point of the tire up there, which is important to know if you decide to get a vehicle lift. Now personally, we use a utility trailer. It's a lot cheaper, but if you want to get an automatic powered hoist or vehicle lift that works like a bicycle rack, you just need a heavy duty vehicle like a truck or an SUV. Give us a call, tell us the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and we'll tell you what's compatible with your vehicle to support this scooter on the back of your SUV or truck. Now it does come with the option to get a seat belt, and it's going to have that 3-year service agreement, which means that if you have a warranty approved claim, you don't need to leave your home. Technician will come by and repair the unit. Now the standard batteries are covered for 6 months. The lithium batteries, 11 years. Again, 11 years, pretty phenomenal. Now you get a 2-year limited warranty on the electronics and the motor, and the structural warranty, which is the frame, is a lifetime limited warranty. Folks, these are the most durable and long-lasting scooters on the market. We've had customers that have had these for over 30 to 40 years. They've been in business for well over 50 years. And they're Israeli-made products in general, whether it's military applications, you name it. They make some good quality stuff. And it's no surprise that their mobility scooters are just built to last a super long time. And as you can see, folks, behind me, we've got some of the other models. We've got the S3, same exact specs. It's just going to have a much sharper turning radius, and we've got the compact version in the 4-wheel and the 3-wheel called the C4 and C3. There's also an SE, which is like a sporty motorcycle looking scooter that I'm throwing on the screen. Same frame, same specs, but it's a 3-wheel model. Super nice if you're into that. Maybe you used to be a Harley guy and you want something that's going to kind of bring back that feeling of nostalgia. Afikim Scooter has several options. They even have a folding travel-friendly model as well called the E-Foldy Lite that they're the exclusive importer of. So if you want to learn more about these scooters, there's a few ways to do it. Number one, call our non-commissioned sales experts. They're friendly, they're not pushy, they're here to answer any questions that you might have. Number two, comment with your question in the comment section below. We usually reply within 1 business day to most of our comments. Number three, you can send us an email, sales@mobilitydirect.com. we'll send you a coupon code so that you can save even more. We offer them with tax-free sales, free shipping, and we always have special promotions going on. So give us a call, whether it's Black Friday, the holidays. Pretty much we have promotions going on year round, and we'd love to earn your business, folks. Not only are we going to give you the best price, but when you need support, we answer the phone. We can help you troubleshoot over the phone if it's something simple. We have awesome tech support people in our tech department that can help you go through and troubleshoot this thing. It comes with a warranty that is unbeatable. The user manual is going to have a troubleshooting guide. All around, it's just a great option, and I highly recommend any of the Afikim scooters that we offer. So I told you at the end of the video, we're going to show you something pretty epic, and I'm going to throw it on the screen for just a second here. We actually towed a semi-truck with the Afikim S4 HD, which is the upgraded version, but still, we actually towed an F-150 truck with the standard model, no problem. So this thing is super powerful, okay, folks? If towing a truck doesn't prove to you that it's powerful, I don't know what else will. Aside from that, folks, I want to tell you about our giveaway. We're giving away the Afikim C model in the 4-wheel configuration very soon. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and subscribe to our other channel. So we have the Mobility Direct channel, which you're on now. Just hit the subscribe button, and then go on over to the Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel, which I'll put the link right there in the top right-hand corner. So when you're done with this video, go there, subscribe to that channel. If you subscribe to both channels, you're automatically entered into that giveaway. And once the Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel hits 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away the Afikim C4, which is right over here. Check it out. That model right there, the silver one, very similar to this one. It's a 4-wheel, more compact version, and we're giving it away. It could be yours. So subscribe, comment, like, share, do all the things. We appreciate your support, folks. Really, we do. We love you guys. Thanks for watching our videos, for sharing them. Stay tuned for our next one, because we've got something awesome coming up soon, and you're not going to want to miss out on that. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. Until next time, have a great day.
Wow! Come on, groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow.